My name is Bob Langer, and I chair the Janet D. Steiger Fellowship project sponsored by the American Bar Association section of Antitrust Law. We provide 8-week internships for first and second year law students in the consumer protection departments of state and territorial offices of Attorney General, as well as in other consumer protection agencies. The students who do intern have an opportunity to work on a very hands-on basis with the staff of either the state or territorial Attorney General's office or consumer protection agency. Some draft motions, many go to court. Others participate in depositions. So every aspect of a government enforcement agency activity. And as a result, many of these students get a real sense that public service is for them. And therefore, a number of them, we've had almost 200 Steiger Fellows over the first 9 years. Many have gone into public service. Indeed, my principal contact in both Montana and in Washington State are former Steiger Fellows. It really is a question of students that may have an interest in public service that don't think they're in a position to volunteer their services. And many students who had like a business interest find that public service was for them because they really didn't understand what it is that a government agency did and how significant it was. I, in fact, just by way of background, I was an assistant attorney general and head of antitrust and consumer protection in the Connecticut Attorney General's office for 21 years, from 1973 to 1994, and I chaired the NAG Multi-State Antitrust Task Force for 2 years in the 1990s. So I had a real sense of what government service was like and how important it was, how valuable it was, and many students have figured that out once they intern or are known as Steiger Fellows, and they consider it an honor. The students evaluate the states at the end of each summer, and the states evaluate the students. When the students evaluate the states, what they find is their eyes have been opened to the opportunity that many of them didn't think they really would have. And they've learned sort of hands-on what government enforcement and government agencies really do. And that has been quite a valuable experience for them. Almost uniformly, the students have said that they have been provided with a very, very meaningful educational experience. If you'd like to learn more about the Steiger Fellowship Project, please feel free to email me at rlanger@wiggin.com, or you may contact Deborah Morgan, the Assistant Director of the Section of Antitrust Law, who has worked with me during the 9 years of the Steiger Fellowship Project at deborah.morgan@americanbar.org. Thank you very much.